That's the last time I'll be making my coffee in this location. So today I'm going to show you how I created a new coffee station for $0 just by shopping in my own home. Because setting up organized systems in your home shouldn't have to break your budget. Keep watching, I'll show you how. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam and I'm a professional organizer, and on my channel I like to share all sorts of fun tips and tricks to hopefully help you achieve a little more organization around your home. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to leave a like, and while you're at it, maybe even say hi in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, so in today's video, I thought I'd talk about my coffee station, or should I say my new coffee station. Now, this coffee maker has been in several locations around my house. Quite honestly, in 2020, it was the only thing traveling in our house. Now, I have seen plenty of awesome coffee station ideas online, whether it be Pinterest or YouTube, Facebook, whatever. I have seen so many beautiful ideas. But for me and my coffee maker, there's a bit of a backstory. So first, let me take you back in time. For many years in the past, my coffee maker lived here, in my bedroom, on top of this file cabinet. At the time, I was the only one drinking coffee in my family. So I figured it should be in a place where I spent most of my time, which was at my desk. But over time, my work and my desk evolved. My circumstances changed, and I needed to expand my workspace. It was around that same time that my youngest son started drinking coffee too. So I moved my coffee maker back out to the kitchen so that my son and I could both use it. And for a while, that system worked, but it still wasn't serving the best purpose for us because of the location. My daughter actually suggested that we move the paper towel holder that was under the cabinet to the side of the cabinet here, because the paper towels kept drooping and getting in the way of the coffee maker. So we moved the paper towels up here, and it seemed to work a lot better. But after some time, I really wanted a designated coffee area in our kitchen, because this location here was also in the center of all the activity when we were cooking in the kitchen. So we decided to move the coffee maker underneath the standalone cabinet on the other side of the sink. In this location, we could put all of my coffee mugs and coffee supplies up in this cabinet here, and this spot became my new mini coffee station in the kitchen. Now, this worked pretty well for a while until my son stopped drinking coffee. He does a lot of voice acting and found that tea was more soothing to his throat, which once again made me the only coffee drinker in the house. And as a sole coffee drinker, I wanted to move the coffee maker back into my room, but now I didn't really have a place to put it. Well, this past holiday season, we needed more space in our living room for our decorations. So we ended up moving this file cabinet / printer stand that my son was using for his music lessons. We moved it out of the living room and into my closet. Throughout the holiday season, I kept looking at this printer stand in my closet, and I didn't know why, but it was kind of growing on me. Then it hit me. A coffee station. I could use it to create a coffee station in my bedroom. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let's go. So we moved the printer stand from my closet to its new home. Then I started loading up all my coffee supplies, and my water gallons were the perfect size to fit in the small cabinet. I decided that the smaller items could go in the drawer, like the unopened bags of coffee, along with the coffee filters that I put in their own containers. Lastly, I added the creamers into the drawer too. This kept them in their own zone and allowed them to be out of sight. I designated the top of the printer stand for the main coffee, stevia, straws, and the coffee maker itself. Then for my beloved mugs, I kept them on the hidden shelf beneath the bigger items, so they'd be easy to access and a fun visual for the coffee station. Can you tell I love pandas and coffee? Perfect. I roll out of bed over there and come have my coffee right over here. Perfect. clear countertop. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I sure enjoyed making it. If you have any ideas for future videos, whether they be reaction videos, testing organizing hacks, or product reviews, let me know in the comments below and I'll see if I can make a video on it in the future. And be sure to check back in next week's video to see what we did with this cabinet now that all my coffee supplies are in a different location. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.